Hey guys, it's your girl Risa coming to you with a 2 week grocery haul. Hey sugar, hey honey buns, hey snack cakes, hey intentionals, hey boo babies and stinker butts. What's going on, you guys? It is May I have just a little more Jesus Monday. I know y'all need him and so do I. Okay? I hope y'all in good spirits. I know you might be cold, it might be raining, it might even be hot. But we gotta thank the Lord that He gave us life today. He said yes to us one more time, y'all. In spite of all of our flaws, He said yes. So we can try our best to make the best of it, okay? All right, so let's get with this haul. Spring cleaning, regular grocery haul, whatever you want to call it, okay? This is supposed to last us at least 2 weeks, except for little things that we'll have to refresh, like maybe milk, eggs, sausage, that kind of stuff. But y'all told me the other day when I was in search of light bulbs to try daylight light bulbs. It's not easy to find daylight light bulbs in my area. Walmart, they sell a certain type, but they don't fit my light fixtures, okay? So, hopefully within the next 3 months, I can get my light fixtures changed out, okay? But I picked up some light bulbs today. I already put the ceiling fan light bulbs up because we needed the light. I bought these light bulbs for just my regular fixtures, like this light and in the kitchen, the hallway, things like that. Now these are the 100 watt. They're energy saver bulbs. I love the coil style bulbs because they last a long time. And I did the 100 watt because I like light in my kitchen and I want it to be bright, but I only have one fixture. So I got these. These were $9 and some change from Home Depot. And I got 3 packs of these right here that are 60 watt, just for the regular like the lamps and other ceiling fixtures that these will fit in. So that's 4 packs of bulbs. I got some, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I took stuff down off my walls because we're getting ready to paint, and I'm just gonna shop my home. I did purchase 3 items from Home Goods last week, and there are 2 mirrors and a picture. So I'm just switching some things around. So we're getting ready to paint. And I bought some wall anchors and some nails to hang up some things. And that came from Home Depot. Also from Home Depot, we got the paint tray, paint brushes, and the paint. And I got the Behr Marquee 1-coat paint. So that in this area, I got a satin finish so that I can at least wipe it down. Yeah, we got some OxyClean. I got some plug-ins. I got some Snuggle. What else? Here, the other plug-ins. We got these from Walmart. We got some strawberries, and these came from Sam's. We got some more of the Black Label thick cut bacon. Now this is $11.98, but it's $2 off today. So we paid what, $9 for this, and this is a good buy. It lasts us a good while, and it's not too salty. So we got that. I got some apples, and these came from Sam's as well. We got some colored peppers. I got some sandwich cookies, $1.74. I got 2 packs from Wally World. We got 2 things of applesauce. Janae and Mia loves applesauce, so we got 2 of those. I love these mixed vegetables. I can eat them with chicken, with anything. I could just season these and eat them by themselves. And you get, I think you get 5 16-ounce bags in this 1 pack. And that came from Sam's as well. And the same with the broccoli. I like having the individual bags so you don't have to open up that bag and then try to reseal it. Once you open it, you still have individual bags. So if you're doing for a large gathering, you can do 2 bags, 3 bags, whatever. If it's just an individual thing, you can just open 1 bag and then go from there, so you won't be exposing all your food to the air. Right here in the chair, we got some Gatorade. Up here, we got some Canada Dry ginger ales. Came from Sam's. We were looking for the multi-pack. Y'all excuse the phone. We were looking for the multi-pack, but they didn't have it. Got Corey some Capri Suns. And yes, I know to always check the Capri Suns. Look in the bottom. See if it's something floating around in there. If you see something floating, don't drink it. We got some Pepsis. Galen and I ate one bag of chips in the car. And they were the Flaming Hot Ruffles. So we got those. Over here, y'all know we like to get the shrimp. So we got those just to have in the freezer. Galen and Biscuit are getting ready to start back on this work journey because they've been off for a few days. And so picking up some stuff that I can put in the refrigerator that I can throw together really quick on a night that he has to work was a good thing. These will go in the freezer for the nights that we want to have crabs. And we got 2 boxes of the Ocean Choice snow crab clusters. Now, the kids are going to do a cereal tasting video. I don't buy a lot of different flavored cereals, especially like new ones that come on the market. But I got some this time because I want to let the kids try them. And they like s'mores, so I got those. I got the honey bun. And I got these Honey Nut Cheerio Medley Crunches. I wanted to taste these myself. Give me a banana, child. Look at here. I got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And these Wild Berry Fruit Loops. So we're going to try those. We got some cherry tomatoes. I have 1, 2, 3 things of butter. 2 Land O'Lakes and 1 Great Value. I picked up some butter extract and some almond extract. I don't like a lot of almond extract. I don't even like to use almond extract. But I've had cakes, pound cakes, that have tasted really, really good. And they have put almond extract in it. So I'm going to try it. Okay. I know Corey not going to be able to. He don't eat cake like that anyway. But I'm going to try it because I don't really like the flavor of almond. But we're going to keep it going. I got 2 more things of cream cheese because I want a cream cheese pound cake. And I also like to put cream cheese in my macaroni and cheese. 2 things of powdered sugar. These were 97 cents. I got some more sugar from Sam's. We got some ranch dressing from Sam's. We have 2 bags of oranges from Sam's. I got some more onion powder from Sam's. We got these steaks from Sam's. And I think that's what we'll have for dinner tonight. These are beef round eye steaks. It was $16.04. And you get, what, 12 of them in a pack. And then we got some more of the Angus beef steaks, $29.96. I got a bag of onions. A big Mungungus bag of potatoes. We got some orange juice. The Clausen's pickles. Now, we usually get the spicy pickles, but Galen's been back on the kick of the Clausen's. These are very garlicky pickles. When I go back to the store, I'm going to get at least 2 jars of the hot ones. I didn't see them today. I like the hot ones with my sandwiches. Okay, so we found 3 because they didn't have the big one until we went to, where we got this from? Sam's. Sam's had the big one, so we have 4 jars. Cran mango. I got some Lysol Clean and Fresh. Some more pineapple juice. I have some bleach. Comet. I always like to use Comet in my toilet. Why? I don't know. Even if I use the liquid bowl cleaner, I still scrub it with Comet. I love Grease Lightning for your tubs. Spray. Let it sit for 5 minutes and rinse it off. There's no scrubbing needed. This was $1.74 at Walmart. They had this for $13 today at Walmart, so I grabbed that. And I got some Snuggle. I'm making a mess. I'm glad it didn't spill out. Okay, we were in Walmart and Galen was looking for white balsamic vinegar. They didn't have it, so he grabbed this one. Then when we got in Sam's, they had it. So I grabbed 2. So this will be in our stash for the next several months. He won't need to get any salad dressing. We needed some A1 steak sauce, and this was, I think, $6 for 2. I got some more beef base, $4.98, and the chicken base, $4.98. We picked up some paprika, Spanish style paprika. I'm gonna have to order offline the sweet paprika, sweet smoked paprika, because I couldn't find any in the store. Because there's a chicken dish that Galen is wanting me to try to recreate, but I'm thinking that it's sweet paprika. I don't know what the seasoning is, but that's my guess. More black pepper, bell peppers. Galen is a tomato. Galen, Jalen, Mia, I think Darian, and Janae love tomatoes. So he got some of the Flavor Bomb. So I know he'll be popping these like they gum. We got some strawberries. I think we already did that. And I think that's it, y'all. That is it. That is it. Okay. So next project is to get this dining room and this extra, the wall coming into the house, repainted. We have the paint. I'm hoping this 1 gallon be enough. If not, I have to go back and get another one. It says you only need 1 coat, so it should be enough. So I thank you guys for watching. And if you have not seen my video of my DIY table decoration, y'all go check it out. Inexpensive. I don't think I spent $10 to do the, well, under $20, because both of these were $6 a jar. And then the candles were $1, the beads were $1, and then the shells were $7.98. That was it. Okay, straw was $1. Okay, y'all go check it out. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hugs, kisses, and many blessings from my family to yours. Bye, sugar.